In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide notes in Google Keep. First, a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. Google Keep does not offer a true hiding or locking feature. There's no password protection or private mode built into the app. That said, there are reliable ways to keep certain notes out of your main view so they're less noticeable. I'll walk you through the best approaches and how to get the most out of each one. The most effective method is to archive notes. Think of archiving as tucking a note away so it no longer appears on your main screen, but it's still safely saved and easy to bring back. To archive a note, open Google Keep, open the note you want to hide, tap the three dots in the corner, and choose Archive. The note disappears from your main list and moves to the Archive section. When you want to find it again, tap the menu icon on the left and select Archive to browse everything you've archived. If you change your mind, open the note and tap Unarchive to return it to your main list. This method is quick, reversible, and keeps your workspace clean without deleting anything. Another helpful approach is to use labels to make notes less visible. Add a label like Private to the notes you don't want front and center, and simply don't visit that label in your day-to-day use. This keeps those notes organized in one place and out of your usual flow. Labels also make it easier to batch manage or filter notes later without cluttering your main screen. You can also rely on color to reduce visibility. Change the note's color to something subtle, like white or a light gray. While this doesn't actually hide the note, it helps it blend into the background visually, making it less likely to draw attention when you're scanning your notes quickly. As a temporary option, you can use the trash. Deleting a note moves it to the trash for 7 days. During that window, you can restore it if needed. After 7 days, it's permanently deleted, so treat this as a short-term hide and use it with caution. Bottom line, archiving is the best way to hide notes in Google Keep. Just remember, these methods only hide notes from view. They don't secure them. If you truly need privacy, consider storing sensitive information in a tool that supports passwords or encryption.